Hello FlowHCM family, welcome back to our monthly FlowHCM news series. Another month and another chapter of growth. We are here to walk you through how it all unfolded last month. Stick with us till the end, we have got something for you there. We started strong by welcoming some new amazing organizations into the FlowHCM family. On your screen, you can see the organizations that chose smoother and automated HR operations with FlowHCM. And with that strong start of the month, things only got more exciting. And when great initiatives turns into a real impact, it calls for a celebration. Talking about the celebrations, this month we marked multiple go-live ceremonies with our clients where planning met execution and HR automation came into the process. The glimpses from the ceremonies on your screen shows how the efforts of both the teams were appreciated. But a system going live is not the end of the story, because what really matters is the way how you manage your operations from it. That is why for ARY Digital Network, we held a focused training session for their top-level leadership, making sure they don't just use FlowHCM but make the most from it. And while we work closely on growth, innovations, and new initiatives, we also keep our clients in loop. And to keep our clients informed with FlowHCM modules features, we held a webinar on recruitment management module and candidate portal features. And if you have missed it, you can watch the recap on our official YouTube channel. And the part that speaks the loudest is our client success story. To show the world how FlowHCM is transforming HR operations across organizations, we started our case study series. At first, Digital Auxiliaries joined us, and based on that response, we kept the momentum going. Following the circle, Global Office World joined us next, and their HR transformation story is now live on our website for you to explore. And that is how FlowHCM wrapped their month. There were so many things on the table: milestones, knowledge sharing, partnerships, and celebrations. And everything we do in a month always leads to our commitment of automating HR operations across industries. So, keeping that commitment, we will be back soon. Till then, stay connected.